Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 8833 Sandy Bottom Road on beautiful Honeoye Lake. This is a spectacular waterfront property. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This spectacular great room has it all, with high ceilings, an entertainment-sized dining area, a cook's kitchen with a breakfast bar, and a living area with a gas fireplace, all with a wall of windows to take in those amazing lake views, leading to this amazing covered porch. This spacious yet private first floor primary suite has it all, with a beautiful bath, walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door to access a patio and the amazing lakefront. The first floor also has a powder room and laundry too. The excitement continues upstairs with a spacious area for your office, a bathroom, plus 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 of which have access to an elevated deck with panoramic lake views. Great for your family and guests. Even enjoy the 4th of July fireworks. The quality craftsmanship of this newer contemporary home is evident in the details. This premium lake level lot is just spectacular, with a breakwall, dock, and hoist, all with 53 feet of amazing waterfront and million-dollar southern views. Wow, they are just breathtaking. You could have it all in this Honeoye Lake dream home. This premium location is at the north end of Honeoye Lake, with spectacular views to the east, west, and those dramatic southern views. What a great place to live. Known for great fishing, boating, and waterfront activities. Enjoy lake access at nearby beautiful Sandy Bottom Park. Nearby this property is the quaint hamlet of Honeoye with summertime concerts, and is just 16 miles from Canandaigua and the rest of the Finger Lakes region. Here we are at Hunt Hollow Ski Club. What a great place to ski! Just minutes away from Honeoye Lake. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8833 Sandy Bottom Road on gorgeous Honeoye Lake. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.